For weeks now, we've been telling you about allegations of major fraud in the state housing services program. There is so much fraud, state leaders want to shut it down.
Yeah, but now a couple of state lawmakers close to the issue tell us that likely isn't going to happen for 90 days. And new tonight, they say payments have been stopped for 2 more providers suspected of fraud, bringing the total to 79.
Renee Cooper went to lawmakers with our questions as DHS continues to deny our interview requests.
I took a different approach to try and get some answers. This time by sitting down with Republican Fraud Prevention Committee Chair Representative Kristen Robbins and DFL Human Services Committee Co-Chair Representative Mahmoud Noor, who took some of their own questions to DHS late last week.
I was concerned that they still don't really have a handle on the dollars and the number of clients that they're talking about.
Roughly how many people are they saying they've served?
The number I heard last week was, I believe, somewhere north of 42,000.
Representative Noor also says that number is worth looking into.
And how do we make sure that there's documentation to show the services that they've received? In fact, we passed that legislation this session, making sure that there's proper documentation of the services provided in order for the providers to bill.
Do you think DHS should have caught this sooner?
To some extent, those are questions I think we will be asking them, and we're hoping that we will have some, before pre-session discussions that we will have to ask the same questions.
What do you plan to do about the fact that they're not fully addressing your questions?
You know, we submitted more questions on Friday, and we had submitted more earlier in the week, and so I'm expecting to get those answers. And if I don't, they're on the docket for September 17th, and we'll ask him again.
Before the program ends, I'm told DHS must submit a plan to federal officials. Then there's a required public comment period. Now, after I did those interviews, DHS did confirm there's no official end date to the program at this point, and providers can continue to provide services, and they'll continue to be paid until then. In St. Paul, Renee Cooper, 5 Eyewitness News.